Good afternoon, 7th class. Today I have told you to solve question number 1 of exercise 3.2 as a homework. I hope you would have done. So I am starting from question number 2. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. 11 players ने मैच ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਰਨਸ ਬਣਾਏ ਨੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. What we have to find mean, mode and median. Are the three same? ਅਸੀਂ ਮੀਨ ਵੀ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਬੇਟੇ, ਮੋਡ ਵੀ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਮੀਡੀਅਨ ਵੀ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮੀਨ ਮੀਡੀਅਨ ਮੋਡ ਤਿੰਨੋਂ ਹੀ ਸੇਮ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਆ. ਸੋ ਲੈਟ ਅਸ ਸੋਲਵ ਇਟ. ਡਾਟਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਬੇਟੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਜੋ ਗਿਵਨ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰੀਏ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੀਨ. ਵਟ ਇਜ਼ ਮੀਨ? ਸਮ ਆਫ ਆਲ ਆਬਜ਼ਰਵੇਸ਼ਨਸ ओवर नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस, है ना. सम ऑफ ऑल ऑब्जर्वेशंस ओवर नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस. नाउ it is 6 plus 15 plus 120 plus 50 plus 100 plus 80 plus 10 plus 15 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15 divided by 11, क्योंकि कितने ने ही टोटल नंबर्स 11, ठीक है. So let us add all of these numbers. When you will add, what you will get? Adding these numbers you will get 429. So divided by 11, what you will get? 11 3 the 33, 11 9 the 99. So mean is 39. Now second thing we have to find mode. What is the mode? If you look at this data, look carefully which number is repeated. 10 is coming 2 times, 15 is coming 2 times. Anything else? 15 is coming 3 times. 1 2 3. It means mode is 15 because 15 is occurring frequently, ठीक है. because 15 has occurred 3 times. सब तो ज़्यादा बार 15 ही आया है, या 15 has occurred या occurring 3 times, ठीक है जी. Now for median, arranging the data in ascending order, because for median we have to arrange the data in ascending order. 6 8 10 occurs 2 times, then 15 15 15, then we have 50 80 100 and 120. Now we have arranged this data in the ascending order. How many terms are this? 11. So what will be the middle term? 1 2 3 4 5, leaving 5 terms from here and leaving 5 terms from the back side. 1 2 3 4 5. So 15 comes in the center, therefore median is equals to 15. Okay bete. Now they have asked, are the 3 answers same? We can say no, because mean is 39, mode and median are same but mean is not same, ठीक है. So we will write no, all the 3 are not same. All the 3 are not same. Okay बच्चे. Third question students is your homework. Now fourth question, find the mode and median of the data. Again beta we have to find the mode and median. So firstly let us see what is the mode. which number is repeated and how many times? You will see 13 is occurring 2 times, 12 is occurring 2 times, but 14 is occurring 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So 14 is the mode. Mode is equals to 14. Why? Because it has occurred 3 times. ठीक है? It has occurred 3 times. Now, when we have to find the median, firstly we have to arrange the data in ascending order. So, for ascending order, the smallest number is 12. It has come 2 times. Then we have 13 2 times. Then we have 14 3 times. Then we have 16. And then we have 19. Now you count. There are 9 numbers. So what is the middle number? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 from the beginning. This is the 5th number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 from the back side. So 14 is the middle number. Therefore, median is equals to 14. Like this, you have to find the middle term. Okay? Now, question number 5. Tell whether the statement is true or false. First is, the mode is always one of the number in the data. जो बेटे सानू डाटा गिवन हुंदा मोड उन्हां दे विच्चों ही एक नंबर हुंदा. Is it true? आपां जिन्ने क्वेश्चन कीते आ, yes, it's true. So first part is true. Okay? Then second, the mean is one of the numbers in the data. जो mean हुंदा है ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ डाटा सानू गिवन हुंदा ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਹੀ ਇੱਕ ਨੰਬਰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. No, ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਡਿਵਾਈਡ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਡੈਸੀਮਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਆ, ਕੋਈ ਹੋਰ ਨੰਬਰ ਵੀ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਡਾਟਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਵੇਲੇਬਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ. ਸੋ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਇਜ਼ ਫਾਲਸ. Then talking about the third one, the median is always one of the numbers in the data. जो median ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਡਾਟਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਹੀ ਇੱਕ ਨੰਬਰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. ਯੈਸ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਸੈਂਟਰਲ ਨੰਬਰ ਹੀ ਸਿਲੈਕਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਸੋ ਥਰਡ ਵਨ ਇਜ਼ ਟਰੂ. ਨੈਕਸਟ ਫੋਰਥ, the data this has mean 9. ਹੁਣ ਇਹਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੀਨ ਹੈ ਉਹ 9 ਹੈ. ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਬੇਟੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰਕੇ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਏਗਾ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, let us solve it. It is mean is equals to 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 12 plus 13 plus 9. How many, with which number I have to divide? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me divide it by 6. What you will get? Now let us add these numbers. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 21 plus 9, 30, 30 plus 12, 42, 42 plus 13, 55, 55 plus 9, it will become 64. So 64 divided by 8, 8 1 the 8, 8 8 the 64. So we have mean 8. But ਉਹ ਕੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਆ? They have mean 9. It means fourth statement is false. Okay. The questions which I have left, that is your homework. That is first question and third question is your homework. If you have any problem, then you can ask me. That's all for today. Thank you.